Hello everyone, welcome to Mentor Honey. Today I am going to review Pinning the Future. So let's get started. So first of all, we are going to the sales page. So here it is telling that, but wait, you might also like almost complete. Then uh, here is something. Then they are telling in this hashtag 2 video mastermind, you will see Christy and Becky create a Christmas video pin that is sure to get thousands of views. Okay, so first of all, it means that the vendors name are Christy and Becky. They are the vendors of this, and they are the founders of this product that is pinning the future. So they will show you in the 2 video mastermind that they created a they created a pin, and they will pin it, and they will, and how they will get thousands of views. So they will show you in that mastermind. And first of all, they are telling about the author, Becky Beach. Becky has been selling printables and other digital products for 7 years. She lives in Texas with her 4-year-old son, husband, and Pomeranian. Means Pomeranian is a dog. So Becky enjoys creating planners, journals, and coloring pages to help others. About the author. So, hi, I am Christy Childs, a professional blogger and a digital downloads marketing expert with a master's degree in liberal arts and a BSEE in early childhood education. I blog at dream2paper.com, a site for helping women child education thrive in creating digital talent, and so on. I'm not going to read the whole. So first of all, so they are telling Becky and Christy decided to dig deeper and share more Pinterest tactics and uncover 2 more hidden niches that you have probably never seen before. And we feature a Christmas printable that can be repurposed for any reason. Pinterest Mastermind hashtag 2. So brand new training revealed. Tired of struggling, wasting money and time trying to figure out what types of printables you should be making? Now you don't have to. Tired of paying for ads that don't bring you sales? Nobody has time for that. Tired of waiting months to make your first shop planner slash printable slash affiliate sales? You don't have to. So they are telling that they will show you in the Pinterest mastermind that how they will get thousands of views and get affiliate sales without paying a dime for ads that don't bring you sales. So then they are telling this is the answer. Hashtag relief. I want to be able to sit down and 15 minutes later see my pins get 100,000 of views, get new subscribers to my blog, my shop, or my links. So they will show you that how they get traffic from Pinterest with just a video pin to their blog, to their shop, or to any affiliate links. So before I create one more Pinterest pin, because I am smarter way, introducing Pinterest Mastermind Successful Case Study hashtag 2. In this masterclass, you will discover how Becky and Christy are getting literal thousands of views within 12 hours of putting up a new pin by finding new keyword phrases for moms that go crazy over certain types of printables. We spent hours sourcing, scouring Pinterest, and taking successful courses and downloading books to find the best of the best tips that bring in visitors and sales from our pins. So now you can discover those hidden any away Pinterest tips and keywords that nobody's talking about. So they will show you the exact things that you need to get affiliate sales in your sales for your shop, uh, e-com store. You can get visitors to your blog. Everything you will get in this mastermind, they will teach you. Very good. I suggest you to get this because it is insane. Because it is insane, and it is a and there are no upsells or nothing. It is a one-time payment of $37 for a limited time only. The price will increase. So you are getting 5 free bonuses from the vendor only. From the vendor is giving you the 5 bonuses with this product, that is pinning the future. Hashtag one bonuses. First bonuses. This one Christmas printable we mentioned in this video mastermind to help you get started selling your first printable. Then means they will give you the picture and the things. The bonus number two is you get five affordable, adorable, unique animated video pins for you to use as is or edit inside Canva to promote your dear Santa printable or any printable. Then bonus three is video pins. Bonus three is we went through and made a bonus cheat sheet of all the golden nugget tips and strategies we use in masterclass case study hashtag 2 and put it an easy to read PDF. So they will give the bonus cheat sheet and a PDF. Then the bonus number four, bonus number oh they're missing the bonus number four. So bonus number five is bonus PDF 5 coloring mandalas. They will give you the mandala art. So these were the bonuses that you will be getting. So let's hop on my page where you will get my bonuses that are insane. I tell you, you will not succeed without this tip. I guarantee you. So the link is in the description. You can click on it. When you will click on it, you will go to this page. So here, pinning the future review and bonuses worth $2,164, $2,164. Insane. Attention. This special bonus page comes down at 11:59 p.m. EST on Sunday, March 14th. Click here to grab pin in the future. And again, I'm telling that this is the pinning to the future is pinning the future is launching on 9 9th March 10 a.m. EST. So, so again we are coming to my bonus page. In the bonus page, so you enter your email address like this. You should enter your real email ID. Like I am giving a email ID like this. You give your own email ID that is real. So then Honey's insane bonus bundle pinning the future brand new training revealed and these all that stuff that I put here. So there is a one-time price that is $37 only for limited time only. Pinterest Mastermind Successful Case Study hashtag 2. In this masterclass, you will discover how Becky and Christy are getting literally thousands of views within 12 hours of putting up a new pin by finding new keyword phrases for moms that go crazy over certain types of printables. Then here it is, get pinning the future now and get all the bonuses below. So my bonus number one is that is value of $556, that is Pinterest traffic secrets. That is insane, you will never get from anyone, I guarantee you. So the bonus number two is value $397 and is Pinterest power. And then bonus three is Pinterest perfection, that value is $395. And bonus number four is 7 Pinterest hacks 2020 best Pinterest tips to grow traffic to your website organically, that is value is $658. Then we are going to the last bonus, that is bonus 5 Pinterest SEO 2020, get free search traffic and rank high. This SEO is insane. These five bonuses are insane. You will never get these bonuses from anyone. So all over the prices, all over the bonuses worth is bonuses price is uh, 2,161 $164. So get it now. Link is in the description. Buy from my link. Then if there is an instant bonus delivery, you will after the purchase a receipt thanks you for your purchase when you will purchase this. Here it will come access bonuses. So you will get the bonuses then to your success. So first of all, you have to enter your real email ID. Then at the last you come and click submit. Then it is redirecting to your page. So thanks for the time. Click the link below to get redirected. So click on this link and you are going to the sales page. Buy from there and enjoy it for your lifetime and get sales and boom in 2021 and over. So you come here on the sales page, then you come to at last you get you click on this add to cart and then you purchase. So this was a review of Painting the Future. So thanks for watching my Painting the Future review. So link is in the description. Click on the link and